You might like the list of pages that are pre-slugged for you. If you don't like them, you can delete them as we showed before. There's ways to do that through the action button. You could delete the page. If you want to change the name of the page, instead of having it say about our class, maybe you want it to say our class, and you go to your actions button, click on page options, and you can just edit that information right here. Don't forget to save if that's what you like. I'm going to cancel because I don't want to change Steve's setup. You can add to this, adding a page. You would just click on new page, and that takes you to the available app types. All of your pages have been defaulted, I believe, with the Flex app, which is the most flexible application that there is, and that's why they call it Flex app. We're going to look at what that looks like in a minute. All of these other kinds of apps are also available, and you'll want to explore with those at some point. I'm going to close that right now because I'm not adding a new page. If I want to take a look at what the About Our Class pages look like, I'm going to click on that. And this is in a Flex app, and it's very looks very familiar to me because I've done a lot of web editing. You have all of the normal buttons that you usually get on a web editor. And there's just a template here that you can use in some basic directions. This is clip art that you can certainly delete by clicking on it and pressing your delete key. You can add images, and it allows you to upload images from your computer. You can attach file links, so a link to a file that you've uploaded. You can attach any multimedia. This is a horizontal rule. You can insert links to other websites or somebody's email address or your email address, and then edit those links or delete those links. Here's all your normal copy, paste, edit buttons. It is recommended that if you are copying something from a Word document that you use this button to paste from Word. There's a tendency to lose formatting if you don't use that. So, and this page is just a little suggestion. You can change it any way that you want. We just wanted to give you something to work with. I'm going to cancel out of here. You also may can look at after I've canceled out of there, I have this setup. It's a layout for what the pages are. So I have, you see, it's the Flex Editor app is what I was just in. This is an upcoming events app, and what goes on here are events driven from your calendar. So there's two apps. We'll explore them in a second. I want you to know, though, that off to the right, when you're on this area, you can manage those apps, which means that when you click on this, it allows you to add an app. If you click here, you can delete that app, and you can change the layout.